I'm going to flick the bird at SPIKE508 Moran. Here he comes right now. Hey SPIKE508 Moran. Fuck you motherfucker and hang out Yoshi guy you're a nigga. Evil Rowlet, how dare you flick the bird at me? Also, how dare be racist to hang out Yoshi guy? That's it. Hello? Is this Rowlet? Yes. My name is SPIKE508 Moran. You will be furious when I say this. Evil Rowlet flipped the bird at me and became racist to hang out Yoshi guy. Can you ground him? Okay. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Evil Rowlet, how dare you flip the bird at SPIKE508 Moran and became racist to hang out Yoshi guy? That's it. You are grounded for life. Go to your room right now.
Yeah.